The LitezAll rechargeable jumbo BriteBand task light is perfect when you need broad light dispersion in a relatively small area. Let's take a closer look. In the package is the light, 2 adjustable straps with hooks, a USB-C charging cable, and an instruction booklet. We suggest giving the light a full charge before first use. Plug the charging cable into any USB power source. Pull back the port cover and insert the USB-C plug. A red light indicates charging is in progress, while green indicates charging is complete. A full charge takes up to 8 hours. 5 light modes are available. High white is 1000 lumens with a 4-hour runtime and a 35-meter light throw. Medium white is 400 lumens with an 8.5-hour runtime and a 20-meter light throw. Low white is 150 lumens with a 17-hour runtime and 10-meter light throw. Red flashing runs for 14 hours and UV 395 runs for 24 hours. Light modes may be selected by repeatedly pressing the green button on either module of the BriteBand. Several mounting options are available. Attach the loops of one or both straps to the power modules to use the hooks, or attach the strong magnets to any smooth, rust-free surface. The light section rotates on either end to help aim light. This is a fantastic tool for working under the hood, but serves many other useful purposes around your home or workshop.